Hi everyone, I'm Ruby.
And I'm Jack.
Welcome to our channel.
Whew, Ruby, is the air conditioner broken? It is absolutely boiling in here.
Jack, it's 22 degrees. It's perfect.
22? It feels like the inside of an oven. I am melting.
You are exaggerating, Jack, but this is actually perfect timing.
Perfect for what? Cooking me for dinner?
No, perfect for our topic today. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk English. I'm Ruby.
And I'm Jack, the melting man.
Today, we are talking about the most popular conversation topic in the world, the weather.
Ah, the weather. The thing we talk about when we have nothing else to say.
Exactly. It is the king of small talk. But Jack, before we cool you down, we need to ask our friends something.
Right. Guys, if you want to help me buy a fan, please click the like button.
And please subscribe to the Talk English channel. It helps us reach more students around the world.
And share this with a friend. Maybe a friend who lives in Antarctica. I want to go there right now.
Okay, Jack, let's look at your vocabulary. You said it is boiling. That is a great word.
It means very, very hot, like water in a pot.
Yes, and what is the opposite if it is very cold?
Freezing, like I am freezing.
Perfect. Boiling and freezing are extreme adjectives. So Jack, do you like the heat?
Honestly, I like the beach, I like ice cream, but I don't like the humidity.
Ah, good word, humidity. That is when there's a lot of water in the air. It makes you feel sticky.
Yes, I feel like a sticky sticker. It's terrible.
Let's look at your phone, Jack. What does the forecast say?
The what cast?
The weather forecast. That is the prediction for the future weather.
Ah, okay. Let me look. It says partly cloudy.
Okay, partly cloudy. That means there is some sun, but also some clouds. It's a mix.
And it says chance of precipitation 40%. Precipitation. That is a long word.
Yes, precipitation is the scientific word for water falling from the sky. It can be rain, snow, or hail.
So 40% chance of rain. Does that mean it'll rain on 40% of my body?
No, Jack. It means there's a 40% probability that it will rain in this area. It's not a guarantee.
I hope it rains. I need a shower.
Well, let's talk about the seasons. Maybe you prefer a different time of year. What comes after summer?
After summer comes the orange season.
You mean autumn?
Yes, autumn. But wait, Ruby, in movies, sometimes they call it fall. Which one is correct?
Both are correct. In the UK, we usually say autumn. In America, they usually say fall.
I like fall because the leaves fall down. It is easy to remember.
That is a great trick. Fall is usually cool and crisp.
Crisp? Like a potato chip?
Not exactly. When we say the air is crisp, we mean it is fresh, clean, and a little bit cold. It wakes you up.
Ah, I love that feeling. You can wear a nice jacket and a scarf. It is very fashionable.
It is, but after fall comes winter.
Brr, winter. I hate winter.
Really? You just said you were boiling.
I know, but winter is too much work. You have to put on a coat, then a hat, then gloves, then boots. It takes 10 minutes just to leave the house.
We call that bundling up. You have to bundle up.
Yes, I don't like bundling up, but I do like snow.
Snow is magical. Have you ever built a snowman?
Yes, but my snowman was ugly. He fell over immediately.
Poor snowman.
Ruby, what happens when the weather gets angry?
Angry? You mean a storm?
Yes, like boom, crash.
Okay, let's learn the words for that. The loud noise is called thunder.
Thunder, okay.
And the bright flash of light is called lightning.
Lightning. I am scared of lightning.
It can be dangerous. If there's a storm, you should stay inside. But do you know how to tell how far away the storm is?
No? Do I ask the thunder? Excuse me, Mr. Thunder, how far are you?
No, you count. When you see the lightning, you count the seconds until you hear the thunder. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi.
And then?
For every 3 seconds, the storm is 1 kilometer away.
Wow, that is like math and weather together. I hate it.
Okay, no math. Just stay inside and be cozy.
Ooh, cozy. That is my favorite word. It means staying inside with a blanket, maybe some hot chocolate, watching a movie while it rains outside.
Exactly. It's a warm, safe feeling.
Ruby, I have a question about fog.
Okay.
In San Francisco, is it true they gave the fog a name?
Yes, they call the fog Carl.
Carl the Fog. That is hilarious. Hello, Carl. You were blocking my view.
It adds personality to the weather. Speaking of personality, Jack, you look a little tired. Are you feeling under the weather?
Under the weather? Yes, Ruby. We are all under the weather. The sky is up there.
No, it's an idiom. To feel under the weather means to feel a little bit sick or tired. Not seriously sick, just a little blah.
Oh, yes, I am definitely under the weather. The heat is making me dizzy.
Okay, one more idiom. Imagine we plan to play tennis today, but it's raining. I say, Jack, can I take a rain check?
A rain check? Are you checking the rain?
No, a rain check means we cannot do this today. Let's do it another time.
Ah, that is useful. So if I don't want to go to a party, I can say, can I take a rain check?
Exactly. It's a polite way to say, not today.
I love that. I'm going to use that all the time.
Now, Jack, I have a confusing story.
Tell me.
I was in the US and someone said it is 70 degrees today.
70? And they were alive?
Yes, because of the Celsius versus Fahrenheit problem.
Ah, it is so confusing.
Most of the world uses Celsius. 0 is freezing, 100 is boiling. Simple.
Yes, logical.
But the US uses Fahrenheit, so 32 is freezing and 70 Fahrenheit is actually quite nice. It's about 21 Celsius.
So when he said 70, he meant it's a nice day.
Yes, he wasn't burning.
I need to remember that.
Finally, Jack, let's practice small talk. This is very important for our students.
Okay, where are we?
We are in an elevator. We don't know each other. It's awkward silence.
Okay, looking at the floor?
You break the silence. Go.
The weather is doing things?
No, try again. Comment on the rain outside.
Okay. Wow, look at that rain. It is really coming down out there.
Excellent. It is really coming down is a great phrase for heavy rain. And I would say, I know, I forgot my umbrella.
And then I say, you can have my umbrella.
Aw, that is very nice, Jack. See, you made a friend.
Weather is the key to friendship.
It really is. Okay, Jack, we have covered boiling, freezing, crisp, gloomy, cozy, forecast, and rain checks.
And Carl.
And Carl. I think we're ready to wrap up.
I agree. I feel a little cooler now.
Well, everyone, thank you for joining us on Talk English today.
We have a question for you. Look out your window right now. What is the weather like?
Is it sunny? Is it pouring rain? Is it gloomy? Tell us in the comments.
And tell us your favorite season. Are you team summer or team winter?
Please write in English. It is great practice.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and take a rain check on being sad. Be happy instead.
See you in the next episode, everyone.
Bye. Stay cool.
Bye-bye.